JCK with my homeboy JKI, ready to spit fire right on the face. Motherfucking haters, jokers, rest in peace, fact players.
I'm so high, I think I should modify my schedule. Thinking I should tell you, thinking that I am a fool. It all goes back to when I dropped out the school. If you don't understand, cause you get yourself a fool. I'm a rapper who raps non-stop on any beat. You dig? There ain't no rapper like me, there's only fools that I see. I get flack for doing what I do, and that's a fucking big deal for you. No big deal for me. Nobody wanted to recognize what I had in jealous. The blue flames I spit have fight all the rappers. Your favorite rapper could even hold a candle against me. Baby, I say thank you for being my motivation. So please keep being my hater, be better whenever you follow my hater nation. Okay, here's the situation. That's who you are, but the pepper is just a bottle human nature. It's got its pains to your neck, it's sad to sting of your age. Yeah, that's why I tried in my soul to take it forward and you hit. You are basement bitch, basically on some hater shit. Stay check, back for fucking hater, he can get it. I got it whole, still singing about I'm so high, bitch. I think I should modify my schedule. Thinking I should tell you, thinking that I am a fool. It all goes back to when I dropped out the school. If you don't understand, consider yourself a fool. I'm so high, I think I should modify my schedule. Thinking I should tell you, thinking that I am a fool. It all goes back to when I dropped out the school. If you don't understand, consider yourself a fool.
Why you rappers ready, planetary, one direction ain't Michael Jackson, thriller moves the next and for the perfection. I do buhay na lalitari, Tupac, BGM, and I was writing rhymes on my own and rapping, dropping bones. It's my passion, Matapumba Studio, AD amat tangari ba location, motivation, JCK, newly born, reincarnation. Kalang libasing, dugatawang libasing, sigatay na una-una tayo na sila nakakita na marin na pare na dyan na yan, panatunan, ini-face. God damn, such a shame, I get it even you are my fame. Lego, fake truths, tryna act cool. You such a fool, just on the video, not on the news. Tolu, all the part about you rappers need a boo. Likely ay, come you know, you jokers better stool. Even your bitches love me, maybe city fuck me, riding at their cause I'm better than ya.
I'm so high, I think I should modify my schedule. Thinking I should tell you, thinking that I am a fool. It all goes back to when I dropped out the school. If you don't understand, consider yourself a fool. Girl, hunters want my talent, cause the bitches want me to gain. But I'm telling that I'm happy with my girl, cause I love her, yeah. She could be my wife or my home, I don't give a fuck. Rapping's all I got, all I need, that's all I want. I don't need no fake friends, no fucking who's I gonna get. That's true, I need two top times, I got them in Broadway. Well fuck who, we smoke weed, we do things that we dream on. Like tell again, we roll, and like beats, I go, yeah.
Check to na yung luway, all this fat raps telling me they can be like me. What the fuck? Check to na yung luway, all these fake rappers telling me